Alright, well, what we have here is essentially a drill accessories holy grail. This box is made by Craftsman, or these tools, and they include a whole bunch of different stuff in here for things you would need to do around the house. So first they got Allen wrenches, Allen keys, little spade bits. They come with your pointed bit, masonry bit, and then your wood, just general use bit. They have a chuck here for a larger adapter down to pretty much anything that fits in here. For a standard screwdriver that you would use like a ratchet screwdriver. And they have these here for doing hex bolts that you can put into a chuck. You just pull them out. There you go. And then they have a cadre of all the bits you could need for doing any sort of multi-purpose work. Square bits, hex bits, Phillips, flathead, probably circular bits, but all different sizes and depths. They even have safety bits. That's here for if you're doing outdoors equipment. And they have even small safety bits. I think that's what this is. Let's see. Yeah, something like that. And they have extended bits. So you get a whole bunch of duplicates on this side, but I find that useful because people always lose bits. And for the price, I think this is around 20 bucks. Seems pretty good, and I appreciate it. And if I need bits, I don't feel bad about taking a bunch out of here to just take for the day and working. So you may like this as well. It's come in handy certainly for me. I don't really carry spade bits, so this helped me out when I got this, and I've used those multiple times. And yeah, so that's the Craftsman multi-pack of drilling mastery.